welcome back to our channel. Who's ready for a stroller wagon review? Today we are taking a look at the brand new Wonderfold L-Series Stroller Wagon. This comes in two different versions. You can either have a two-seater, as you see here, or a four-seater. It is loaded with features, so let's get started. Okay, really quick disclosure, guys. Wonderfold did send me this unit for review, but this video is not sponsored by Wonderfold. All thoughts, comments, anything is my own. So I just think that's really important for you to know. But that being said, I do have a 10% discount for you guys if you decide you like it. If you decide it's the right stroller wagon for you. If you use our code GIZMO, you'll get 10% off. I will put the link in the description below. Okay, so this is a stroller wagon. It's a combination of a stroller and a wagon for you to cart your children and all of their things all around. Now, this is not your compact travel stroller, of course. This is probably gonna stay in your garage. It's for the park, it's for the beach, it's for pretty much out and about with 2 kids or 4 if you have the 4-seater and all of their things. There are so many things I love about this stroller wagon if you're looking for a wagon. Let's start with the canopy of the Wonderfold L-Series just because it's here and I love it. Now, it is a very large canopy and not every stroller wagon comes with a canopy, so this is gonna protect your little riders from the sun, which I love. Plus, it's adjustable. So when you have it here, let's say the sun is coming in at a weird angle and getting in their eyes, you can just slide the fabric all the way to the side like that to shade them that way, or you can slide it all the way like that. Or here's another thing. Let's say you have a little rider that's fallen asleep and you want to darken it a little bit. You can push it down all the way like that so it kind of darkens inside, which I think is great. Plus, you can fold the wagon with the canopy attached, which is fantastic. Or if you don't need the canopy, you can remove it. You just take out each side like that. And then it goes right back here and you can just slide it right into the sides of the basket like this. And it keeps it out of the way, which is fantastic. So I really like the fact that there is a canopy, it's adjustable, it's great. So let's go ahead and look at the rest of the wagon now that the canopy's off. Now, we have 2 seats here. The seats each have a adjustable 5-point harness. It's a no rethread harness, so you're not threading it through the seat, which I think is fantastic. But there is a padded 5-point harness in each seat. Very easy to do. You just push the button and it comes right apart like that. This seat back here, it does go up slightly, like that much, just a little bit more upright. But you know what? Some kids really like to sit upright and some want just a slight recline. I don't think it makes much of a difference, but it's there. Now we also have tons of space inside the wagon. So like I said, there's 2 seats and they're big seats. Like this can fit a pretty big toddler or kid in these seats. But let's say you have a lot of stuff and you only have 1 rider. Just pop up one of the seats and you have all that room for storage. Or pop up both. And you know what's great is the floor. It's a really solid floor. You could put down a blanket and let the baby sleep or rest in there. Put the canopy all the way down. It's going to be great. Plus, it has these pieces over here on each side. Little sun blockers, I think is what they're called. But these Velcro down on both sides. There's one on each side. And that will even darken the inside even more. So it kind of becomes like a little portable play yard. So let's say you're at the beach, the baby gets tired. Put them in here, put the canopy down. How great is that? And then when you don't need these, then you just roll it up like this. You stick it back in the pocket, zip it up. Good as new. Okay, another great feature of the Wonderfold is this side opens up and allows your child to get in and out of the wagon on their own, which kids love. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna unzip this piece right here like that, flip this over, un-Velcro it like this, and then you can go ahead and you can secure it to the one side with no problem. Just secure it over there so it's out of the way. So now you have this bar right here. You're gonna push this button, slide this, and you're gonna pop it forward like that so that it swings up of the way like that, and then your children can get in and out on their own. And then to put it back, once your kids are in the stroller, you just go ahead and slide this in until it locks. Have that locked. go ahead and bring your piece back around like this. On the inside, it flops over. There's two little clips here that just go ahead and clip right over it, very easy. And then you go ahead and zip it back closed. So really great. It's very easy to do. It does look like a lot of steps, but once you get the hang of it, it'll be no problem at all. So I love that. I also wanted to tell you that you can pop these seats out, and these seats come right out on the sides, and then you can go ahead and turn it into a regular wagon and fill this bad boy up with whatever you need. Like I said, you could take out one seat, you could take out both seats, but definitely these seats are removable. Okay, let's talk about storage since it is a stroller wagon. Like I said, you can pop up either seat. You could remove the seats. You could load up one side, but the external pockets, they've got one over here so you could put binkies or toys or whatever that the kids can get to easily. There's another one over here. On the back, there is a Velcro one that is covered. That's a nice big pocket as well. You could put your purse, your anything pretty much, your wallet, your keys. And then on the back here, this is like the basket, and it's kind of cool. It is a big type of basket. You could put like a medium diaper bag. It's gonna stick out, but this is definitely where your basket is. And it does come with 4 of these little covers. So when you take the seat out, you slide these covers over the attachment pieces just to make it kind of streamlined and look really modern. But I kind of store them in there when I don't need them. But I like this a lot. I think it's great. So there is quite a bit of storage. And don't forget, it comes with a cup holder. I love cup holders. This is a big one too. So definitely it's gonna fit like a big cup or a big bottle. So I love that. So it does have a lot of storage as well. Now, we talked about the canopy, so let's talk about the handlebar. I love the fact that the handlebar is adjustable. Not all parents are the same height. So this one has 4 different positions. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So definitely good for taller and shorter parents. It's a faux leather, so it looks really nice. So I just love the fact that that is adjustable as well. Okay, so let's talk about how the wagon moves, because you want a smooth wagon because you're taking it to the beach and the park. And this one is great because it has suspension and it has some really heavy duty all-terrain wheels. They're 12 inches in the back and they're 8 inches in the front. So definitely a smooth push. Now, it's a heavy wagon. It's a heavy stroller wagon, that is. But I find that it moves very easily. I can turn it easily, even with 2 kids in it. Definitely easy to push. Just know, like I said, it's heavy. It's a big wagon. But I think the maneuverability is great on it. There is a 1-step brake too. Now, it's covered. Like when you're standing here, you won't be able to see it because this basket's in the way. So you just gotta kind of figure out, eventually you learn where it is and it locks into place if you step down, and then you flip it up. It's flip-flop friendly, and then it goes free. So you kind of know it's on the right side. It's just you don't normally see it because it's blocked by the basket, but it works the same. Okay, it's time to fold the Wonderfold. Now here's the thing, I put the canopy back on because I told you it folds with the canopy. I want to show you that because otherwise I would be like, Holly, sure it folds. I'm gonna show you. So first thing you're gonna do is you're going to pop up the seats like this. There are multiple steps to folding it, so just pay attention. It's very easy to do. Then you're gonna go ahead and put the canopy all the way down, flip in the pocket pieces like this, flip them into the center. Then that shows you that there's 2 levers here with little buttons. Push both buttons, there's one on each side. Push them, lift up. This front is gonna go ahead and fold down like that. Then you're gonna go to the back here. You're gonna lift up on these gray levers like that. And then this part is gonna fold down like that. The basket goes down, and then there are 2 locks for it. Now here's the thing, like I said, it's a big wagon. This is something you're not gonna be throwing in your sedan trunk all the time. It might fit, but a minivan it for sure will. But there are 2 locks. One is like a plastic, like a piece lock that you're just gonna go ahead and push down over there. And then there's a strap lock on the other side to keep that side into place as well. There's also a kickstand back here that you can pop out like that. And that way it can have a standing fold like that. That just goes ahead and, there is a Velcro piece here if you want to Velcro that up. But this is your folded package. It's big, like I said, but definitely for a wagon, it's doable. And You could go ahead and wheel it behind you like this. You could drag it like this. You could go ahead and put the handlebar down more. Just all kinds of different things you can do. So let's go ahead and unfold it. Go ahead and put your kickstand down like that. Then you're gonna unlock both locks. One on that side, one on that side. Lift your handlebar like that. Then lift the front of it. Snap those back down. Take the piece here with the pocket. Loop that over both sides like that. And then you can go ahead and lift your canopy to wherever you want it. And there you go. That is unfolding the Wonderfold. You also want to go ahead and pop your seats down if your kids are getting in. Now, the Wonderfold, like I said, it comes in 2 different versions. This is the double. It retails for $749. It is a luxury stroller wagon. It's going to come with a luxury price. If you get the 4-seater, it's going to be $949. So this definitely is an investment, but if you're looking for a good stroller wagon that has a canopy, an adjustable handle, lots of storage, the ability to remove the seats and use it, just pile in all of the things as a wagon. It has great tires. It has great maneuverability. It folds with the canopy, has a standing fold. So if you're looking for that, you're gonna have to pay a luxury price. What can I say? So that is it, guys. That is my look at the Wonderfold L-Series Stroller Wagon. Let me know, what was your favorite feature? Leave them a comment and let me know. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.